The 2015 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, climate control automatic, cold weather package, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, heated steering wheel, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.